Hi Douglas, thanks very much for the question with regards to your heat pump tumble dryer, and as it came through today when I'm working on some tumble dryers, I thought I'd do a video response to assist you. You've sent a question in saying that you have a Zanussi ZDH8333P heat pump tumble dryer, and you're telling me you've got error code E63 coming up on the system. What I don't quite understand is when you've typed the email to me, you have basically said heat pump tumble dryer, have checked the error codes, and it appears to be a thermostat dash heating element that has gone. Heat pump tumble dryers do not have a heating element. They use a refrigeration process to actually create heat going into the drum and an evaporator that collects that warm moist air and turns it back into a liquid, which then transfers through to the pump to go up to the collection tray. Now, I've just made a detailed video. It is about 20-30 minutes long, but it will show you how to test a heat pump tumble dryer to make sure that the compressor is running, and also you have got the correct values on the heat going into the drum and the evaporator temperature at the bottom. You do need a minimum of 15-degree differential after about 25 minutes of the machine running for the heat exchange to take place. When I say the heat exchange, I'm talking about the differences in temperature between the hot and the cold, or differential, so that the condensing process can work correctly. Now, what I've done for you is not only get you the workshop manual on this machine that has all the exploded diagrams and everything that you need, but it also has the workshop manual which will show you how to run test procedures and diagnose everything on the machine. There is also exploded views of the machine on there to show you each component. Now, the first thing you need to be aware of, the model number you gave me looks like you've just taken it off the actual control panel. You will have an identification label inside the machine, and it will have a PNC number on it, which is a product number. You will need that because there are 17 different variations of your machine, and it's very important whenever ordering spare parts for your machine that you make sure that you're using the correct model to obtain them. Anyway, I've put absolutely everything you need on this web page for you. The link is in the description on this video, and I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a quick thumbs up, as that helps the algorithm make sure that other people can find this information that I'm giving you. I hope all this information helps you. Good luck with your repair, and if you need any further assistance, just use the contact us page, but please make sure you give us the full PNC number. And if you are having issues, by all means do a short video on YouTube, send me the link to that video, and I'll be able to have a look at the machine for you. Thanks very much indeed for contacting us.